Okay, here's the deal. I absolutely love this thing. Sometimes you just have like a feeling that's in your ear and you want to know what it is or what's going on or how much wax is in your ear. So this kit, wait, first I must say, this is the second type of ear scope that I've gotten. The first one I didn't like as much. This one I love. It has so many features and these little utensils. So I actually ended up buying some of these utensils separately and before I bought this one, and then I was like, oh my God, they all have these in here. This is perfect. So I haven't really used these just because I ended up buying other ones. But my favorite is this little one. If you can see that. I love this one because sometimes my ears just feel itchy and this helps to relieve it. You do have to be careful putting this stuff in your ears though. You definitely, it's something you don't just put stuff in your ears, right? Be careful about it. They have multiple little kind of tubes on here. I guess you call them scopes, maybe something like that, to look into like your nose and to look down your throat. They have this one. It does come with a little charger, not a box, just a charger. And then it comes with these little adapters, which you just screw these into the top of the camera here. And you hook up to your Wi-Fi. It's super simple to hook it up. So you just hook it up to your Wi-Fi, but here's this. You just push the button, screw in these into here, and then you can look inside your ear or whatever you want to use this for. Just be careful going into your ear. But I personally like, my favorite one that I use is this one. If I can get it out, is this one. And even just to have the camera and not actually put anything in your ears is also really nice to do. I look in my kids' ears as well, and it's just always nice to have something like that. Or maybe if you feel like, I don't know, you have a bug that crawled in your ear, or maybe you felt like you had a Q-tip that got stuck in your ear, even though you're not supposed to put Q-tips in your ears. People do. So this is just nice to have on hand to just take a little peek inside and see what it's like, see what you see in there. So again, like I said, this was my favorite that I have gotten so far. Just with all the accessories that it comes with. It's just like everything in one. It's like a bundle of, instead of having to buy multiple items outside of this, you get all of it in one item. So that's just my favorite thing about this product.